got? Oh my God! Hey guys, welcome back to Castaway TV. We're out here on the ice and we're doing some fishing. We're actually doing some ice camping tonight, but I've had such a good afternoon of fishing that I have to make 2 videos out of it. Otherwise, it'll be like 30 minutes long and it'll be a little distracting from each. So one video is an ice camping video. The other video is fishing for jumbo perch because we have caught a bunch. I've probably caught 30 perch this afternoon and we've caught some big ones. So anyways guys, let's dive into the video. Yeah, fish on, fish on. This feels nice. This feels nice. Yes! Oh, that's a decent sized perch. I actually brought the perch I caught in the last fishing video I made. So we're gonna keep him and add him to the pile for later tonight. Yeah, another one. This is crazy. Feels good again. Nice! I literally can't even get set up. Every time I put the friggin' line in the water, I catch another fish. Which I'm not complaining. I'm just surprised. I walked probably 25 minutes across this water. I've never tried this spot before, so I was a little nervous. I might have been taking a bit too much of a risk, but it is paying off. Oh, other rod. Oh yeah! Oh, my screen is blown out. We got another one. Oh. Yeah, as I said, the bite is great. Yeah. Oh, fish. Nice fish. Here we go. Head shakes. What do we got? Oh my God! Oh my God. He swallowed that. Wow. I don't know if you can see that. It is gone forever. Wow, that's a nice perch. That's what you come out here for. That is a nice sized perch. Wow. I'm so stoked right now. No way. Look at the size of that. It's the size of my hand. Tip up. Yeah. Oh yeah. What do we got? Nice! Another jumbo! No way! Guys! This is sick! Gosh, the same clip. 2 jumbo perch. That is awesome. I rarely get these type of perch out here. I'm so stoked I came out here. Wow. Rarely can you even lip perch 2 back to back. So stoked, guys. We're gonna be filling up the freezer on this trip. Another fish out here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What is going? Okay, this is just nuts. Another great size perch here. Oh my gosh, this might be my best day of perch fishing ever. This is nuts. Oh, this is a nice fish. Oh my God, another one. That's crazy. Oh, wow. Here we go, back to back. Oh, I lost him. He came off. Oh, dang. Okay, we gotta get back down there. Guys, I don't know how to like explain how crazy this is. I've never had a day of fishing for perch quite like this. Like, I've caught one or two like that size. We have 3 jumbo perch right now. Sorry, I lied. I have 4 jumbo perch right now. Oh my gosh. This is a good fish. Yes. Another jumbo. This is crazy. Just another beautiful perch. Here's proof you don't need to use small bait for perch. Look at the size of the perch. Look at the size of the bait. Crazy. Yeah. Oh yeah. Feels like a nice one. Oh. Yes! No way! Yes! Oh man. Starting off the morning with another beautiful perch. I think I found the spot I'm gonna come fishing from now on. Oh! Oh! I almost lost him! Oh! Yeah! Here is a little size comparison of a fish that you want to catch and the fish that bite half the time. Oh. I gotta be like ready to go here because either rod could go off at any second. Yeah, there we go. There's one fish. Here's another. Oh, this one feels way better. Oh yeah. Yes! Oh my gosh. And that is what we're really looking for. Beautiful perch. Alright guys, here's what I'm working with. I got a bigger spoon here with a minnow head, and then a micro spoon with a minnow on it. The goal with the bigger spoon is to get the bigger perch like you just seen, and then anything will still eat that micro perch. Like I could catch a big pike on that, you never know. So, but it's nice to have both options. If I wasn't getting a lot of bites with this, I'd switch both to that micro spoon because I know I'm gonna catch something. Yeah, bitch. Dink. Haha. Wiggly. Yeah. Oh yeah. This is a good one. I think. Oh yeah. Oh man, I can't get enough of this. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm no longer out there on the ice. It's been a couple of days, but wow, what a day of fishing that was. That is by far the best day of ice fishing. I mean, technically the best day of fishing I've ever had. between that night and the next morning, I caught probably between 60 and 70 perch, and it was just nonstop, bite after bite, back to back. Like, what an awesome experience. I know I was calling all those perch jumbos, and most of you probably don't think they are, because technically they're not, but for the body of water that I'm fishing, I've never had that kind of caliber of fish, that much action. So I was just in the moment, hyped, and I'm still stoked on it. So anyways, as I said in the video, there's a total different video of me actually camping out overnight. I've tested out my diesel heater for the first time in the ice hut, and of course made some dinner, did camping stuff. So there's a whole nother video coming out of that with more fish that I caught from that day. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely enjoyed my day out on the ice, and thank you for watching. Until the next time, just keep going, one day at a time.